Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Samsung supports dual SIM, physical plus eSIM or 2 nano SIMs, because hardware determines options. Once done, power off the phone, insert the SIM-S into the tray in the right orientation, and activate any eSIM profiles provided by the carrier. Then power on and go straight to Settings, Connections, SIM Card Manager. This is where you register both lines. Do this early, since correct insertion and profile activation prevent detection errors down the line. Next, configure how each SIM behaves. In SIM Card Manager, choose the default line for mobile data, calls, and messages. Defaults matter because apps and networks will use them automatically. Once configured, label each SIM and assign ringtones. Make per-contact SIM choices to force a number when contacting specific people. Also set network preferences, 4G or 5G, and roaming restrictions to control costs. Make sure to save changes. This step organizes behavior so the phone. Finally, validate the setup by making a call, sending an SMS, and browsing with mobile data on each SIM. This confirms voice, text, and data routes work. Once verified, you can switch defaults quickly from Quick Settings or back in SIM Card Manager when traveling or changing plans. If things go wrong, try the single most effective tip first. Restart the phone and reset the SIM. If that doesn't help, toggle airplane mode, check carrier provisioning, and update system software. This sequence fixes most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.